Increase the volume on your device. You might want to check out this application. Today I'm going to show you how to use it to increase your volume on your device. Stay tuned. And here this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and once you have logged in and everything, pretty much this is the home screen. So here is the volume rocker, and most devices volume rocker stops at 100 and it can increase it way up to 200. Let me tell you, it does work. No cap, it does work, guys. So if you're playing a music, for example, if you're playing a music in your music player or whatever the case is, or you just tap on this down here where it says top music player, all you have to do is find your music player. Let's say, for example, this one here. And once you've added or selected your music player, it will start playing the music and so forth. So once it starts playing the music, you can pretty much increase the volume to 200, and I'm telling you guys, it does work. And do comment below. I want you guys to try this application and let me know as well if it does work for you. So yeah, also have the music booster or a equalizer stuff. You can edit a bit for the sound effects of the music and so forth. You can also use this to do that. Also the vibe of the music, you can change it as well. So as you can see here, a lot of them you can use. Here, some of them you require pro subscription, and some of them you'd have to watch an ad to get access to use it. So the one with the ad icon, those are one you can use to access it with ads, and the subscription one is pretty much the crown icon there. So it depends on whichever one you want to use. So to get pro on the subscription for this application, all you have to do is tap on the crown icon at the top there, and here you can see pretty much the subscription prices, no ads, and pretty much everything here. You have this, the subscription prices here, and also you get a 3 days free trial, so you can test out your subscription features and so forth. So that's pretty much it for the application. If I miss anything at all, please comment below and just let me know, guys. Let me know if this application worked for you. Stay tuned.